Hello friends, I am Dr. Ruchika Garg, Associate Professor and Consultant Gynecologist, and today we will know the differences between the false labor pains and true labor pains and what are Braxton Hicks contraction. So the true labor pains, they occur at regular interval of time, whereas false labor pains, they occur at irregular interval. The true labor pains increase in frequency and the duration with time, whereas false labor pains do not increase in their intensity and with time. True labor pains are not initiated with any activity, but false labor pains might be initiated by dehydration or decreased water, or if you have nausea, vomiting, if you have sex or you had heavy weight, or if you are hungry. And this false labor pains, that is Braxton Hicks contraction, the uterus is little bit activity starting from 4th month of pregnancy, and in the later months of pregnancy these contractions they increase. The uterine activity increases. It's a sort of preparation for the uterus to go into the true labor pains, and the location of the false labor pains is also different. The false labor occurs in the upper abdomen and they do not get referred to the back or to the thighs, whereas true labor pains occur in the lower side of the abdomen and they are radiated to the back side, or they may initiate from the back to the lower abdomen and they are also radiated to the inner aspects of the thighs. And the true labor pains, they are not relieved by any medication, because whereas the false labor pains, if the doctor gives you any antispasmodic or induced sleep by means of a sleep injection, your pains are subsided. And the true labor pains will occur at a regular interval, like first of all they will occur at an interval of 30 minutes, then 20 minutes, then 10 minutes, and the duration increases. First of all, if they are of 5 seconds, then they will occur at 20 seconds, 35 seconds, 40 seconds duration, whereas the false labor pains, they occur infrequently, there is no regular activity. So your comments are welcome. Please subscribe to this channel for more such informative videos. Bye bye, take care.